Hey guys, David here with East Orlando Harley-Davidson, and today we're going to be doing a brief overview of a very hot bike, the 2021 Sport Glide. This Sport Glide has the Gauntlet Gray paint, and as you can see, new for 2021, they also have the option of the color match saddlebags. If we take a look at the front of the motorcycle here, we can see this bike is equipped with cast aluminum Mantis wheels that look amazing. And this bike is also equipped with the inverted front end. That is going to give you a very sporty, aggressive type of ride with a lot of feedback and a lot of stability. Up top here, we will see the Daymaker LED headlight, which does a great job of lighting up the road. And the Sport Glide also comes equipped with this removable small fairing. The Sport Glide is equipped with the 107 Milwaukee 8 engine. And as we can see here, the Sport Glide is the only stock Harley to come with a 2-in-1 exhaust. One of the great features of this bike is that it has the hand adjustable rear suspension. That's going to come in handy whether you're putting heavy objects in your saddlebags or if you're going to ride two up. You don't need to break out any tools. You can adjust the stiffness of your suspension right here with your hands. As you might have gathered, the Sport Glide is a great bike for aggressive around town riding, but it's actually very well equipped for long distance rides as well. You'll definitely appreciate the removable saddlebags, and this bike also comes equipped with cruise control. One question that I hear pretty frequently is how long does it take to remove the saddlebags? The answer is not very long at all. It's basically one touch to open the bag, and this comes with the quick release. So as we can see here, you just twist this knob and the bag will come right off. One of the nice features on this bike is that it features the 5-gallon tank. That means you're going to be able to spend more time out riding and less time at the gas station. One of the most appealing aspects of this motorcycle is how versatile it is. What's great about this bike is that it's all set up to do some light touring, and in 5 minutes or less you can turn it into a bar hopper. The forward controls give this bike a fairly aggressive stance. Just for reference, I'm 6'1" on a good day, and I can very comfortably flat foot this motorcycle. So if you're looking for a bike that can cruise aggressively from the touring bikes, such as the cruise control and the saddlebags, but without all the weight, then this would definitely be the right bike for you. All right guys, this wraps up our brief overview of the 2021 Sport Glide. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know down below. Make sure to like and subscribe. And if you are interested in this motorcycle or any of the other exciting Harley-Davidson motorcycles, make sure to come see us here on Lake Underhill Road at East Orlando Harley-Davidson.